Hi guys, Steve here, or Spud the Sparky. Been asked by Expert Trades, part of their Tool Talk group, to review these Knipex. I've always known it as Knipex needle nose combination pliers. Usually I use CK long nose pliers. These, however, have the little notch in them, which is good for doubling over. Nice sharp little cutter here, which goes for a bit of single insulated conductor fairly easily. You can do a multitude of things like you can with most other needle nose pliers. The only negative point I've got from my perspective is they aren't very long, which my CK ones are. Fairly robust, like sturdy handles, ergonomic design. That's the only thing that's one of the things they've got over the other pliers I've used. They fit in quite nicely into your hand. Got the little stoppers at the top, stop you touching any live parts if you are using them for pulling out live cables. Obviously not supposed to be doing that, but yeah, nice little set of pliers. So yeah, I'm Steve, or Spud the Sparky, and that's one of my Expert Trades reviews. Thanks for listening. Cheers.